Welcome back to our channel where we make complex tech stuff simple. Today we are diving deep into the world of blockchain. By the end of this video, you will understand what blockchain is and how to incorporate it into your analysis. Now, what exactly is a blockchain? That's a question we get a lot. Let's get to the answer right away. Blockchains are essentially decentralized systems recording information across multiple devices to ensure data is not at the risk of being controlled by a single entity. But there's so much more to it. Let's explore further. Remember, blockchain technology is a simple concept once you get the hang of it. Think of it like a Google Doc shared among a network of computers where everyone can view and make changes simultaneously. But what about Web 3 and why is it relevant here? A lot of you asked us to cover this topic in our previous videos, and here we are. Web 3, often called the semantic web, is the next major phase of the internet. It's a more intelligent, personalized web that understands and integrates user data to deliver more meaningful experiences. Comparing to Web 2, where users were consumers who received information, Web 3 transforms users into participants who both provide and receive information. And there you have it. We hope this video gives you a better understanding of blockchain and how it relates to Web 3. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest educational content. See you in our next video where we delve into more exciting tech topics.